example, we will explain how the artist created this piece, using, among others, the product shown here. Here the main focus will be on the interaction of different prism colors combined together. To begin, the artist created a background using a combination of different prism colors and allowed everything to dry before moving on to the next step. Right now, the artist is finishing up the outline of the chameleon with a black vitrail sound relief. And now the magic begins. After making sure the outline is complete and has dried for approximately 10 minutes, paint can be poured within the paint design. For this type of application, a thin brush, a dropper, or a wooden stick can be used. It all depends on how much control is required over the application. The artist is now adding the finishing touches to her piece by adding transparent glitter and transparent sound relief from the vitrail range. Here are some close-ups of the finished piece. You can see that, once dried out, the transparent glitter sound relief leaves a path of shiny particles that can light up and enhance any creation, while the transparent sound relief allows adding a touch of dimension to your piece.